Where can I buy Louisiana Fish Fry Products? Louisiana Fish Fry Products are one of the leading fish fry products in the market, with its authentic Cajun cuisine, with a mixture of savorous blending spices and seasoning that you can keep asking for more. For more information about the best products from Louisiana Fish Fry, here are the lists of some of them. Before having more information about where can I buy Louisiana Fish Fry Products, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Air Fryer Fish Coating Mix. This product is specially formulated for use in air fryers. For the best taco seasoning, air fryer fish coating mix can be a good coating for a perfect homemade Mexican delicacy for the Baja fish tacos. Preparation. All you need to prepare is sour cream, adobo sauce, lime juice, salt, white fish, eggs, cooking spray, shredded cabbage, tortillas, ripe avocado, and fish cilantro. To cook this Baja fish taco, you have to combine the adobo sauce, sour cream, lime juice and salt in a bowl and refrigerate it until the food is ready to serve. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while you are setting 2 containers. Fill the first container with the beaten egg and then on the second container, fill the fish coating mix. Coat each strip of white fish with eggs, and dip it into the seasoned coating mix. Coat the air fryer basket and each fish should be arranged in a basket, single layered. Cook the fish with cooking spray until the fish is golden brown. Dip the fish in the avocado with your homemade adobo sour cream and garnish the cilantro with cilantro and lime. Seasoned fish fry. For seafood lovers, then this might be the perfect secret ingredient to make a well-made catfish tony. This is made of 100% natural and original ingredients and currently listed as the #1 fish fry mix in the US. Preparation. You have to prepare catfish fillets, étouffée base, seasoned fish fry, butter, water, crawfish tails, and rice. You have to melt the butter in the saucepan first, and add the étouffée base and stir this until the mixture turned into medium brown. Stir the water into the étouffée base and mix it well, and boil. Next is to add the crawfish tails while you are reducing the heat. Add the seasoned fish fry afterward. In a serving dish, spoon the étouffée over the rice and put the catfish on top. Where can I buy Louisiana Fish Fry Products? Conclusion. Louisiana Fish Fry has a lot of dedicated products that can only give out to only the best flavors. If you want to have them used in your cooking, then you can check them out to the nearest store, their official website or any retailers online. For more information about where can I buy Louisiana Fish Fry Products, visit our website at yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.